Okay, in today's video, we are going to look at simplifying algebraic expression. Simplifying algebraic expression. So, to simplify an algebraic expression simply means to combine the like terms and the like unlike terms. That's what we mean by simplifying. So to simplify something in short, just make something as simple as possible so that someone is able to understand, isn't it? Yeah. So if something is so ambiguous, so we need to make sure that even in grade 1, if I were to call it grade 1, say, what is this? Is able to read. So that's what we mean by simplifying an algebraic expression. So now, to simplify an algebraic expression, you add the like terms and the unlike terms, or rather, you group the like terms first, meaning the terms with the same variables, and then you add the coefficients. Remember, we deal with the coefficients, and I'm very sure every one of you knows how to add integers. Okay, so we say to simplify an expression, we group the like terms together and add or subtract their coefficients. Okay, coefficients. That's what we do when we simplifying. So let us go into examples. Let us look at these examples so that we get a proper illustration of what I'm saying. So the example says simplify the following. Simplify the following. A, 3x plus 2x. B, 7y minus 8x plus 6y minus 2x. C, negative 3a plus 4a squared minus 2a plus 4a to the power 3. Then D, we have 4xy minus 3xz plus 4x squared y plus 3xz. Okay, so let us look at these examples. So to start with, let us write solution here. So the first one is 3x plus 2x. 3x plus 2x. So the first thing we should investigate is, are these like terms? From what we explained in the previous video, we can see that they are like terms because they contain the same variable. Please, whether they have different coefficients, as long as the variables are the same, those qualify to be like terms. Don't pay attention to the coefficients. We don't have anything to do with the coefficients. Our main business here is to see whether the variables are the same, and that makes them to be the same, and the like terms, alright? Okay. So here, since they have the same terms, which is x, we add the coefficients here. So we say 3 plus 2, this will give us 5. And then we pick one of these coefficients. So, in short, 3x plus 2x, we get 5x. Okay? Then in part B of the question says 7y minus 8x plus 6y minus 2x. Okay. Now if you look at this, 7y and 8x, these are unlike terms. So you cannot add 7, 1, or rather you cannot subtract 7, 1 minus 8x. These are unlike terms. Similarly here, you cannot add this or subtract them, the unlike terms. Similarly here, you cannot add this or subtract them, the unlike terms. So what we need to do here is to group the terms with like terms together so that we are able to add or subtract them. So here, you write the first term, which is 7, and then you bring this one. Perhaps somewhere you have been taught how to solve equations. When solving equations, when something crosses the equal sign, it changes the sign. Now in this case, that rule does not work here because these are expressions, they are not equations. So get these two the way it is with its sign in front. So we are going to have 2x. Again, oh sorry, here. We are going to get the term with the same term, which is y here, with the same variable, which is 6. So we get 6y, like that. Then after that, we write either this one or that one. So here we can write minus 8x. And then we bring another term with the same variable, x, which is minus 2x. So in this way, we have grouped the like terms together. In an examination, if you just answer it from there, you are going to lose marks. So what I'm just showing you there here is the same things you're supposed to follow in as you attempt examination questions and the final examination questions and the past papers. So after that now, here you are going to use the same concept here. Here they are same terms, or rather they are like terms. So we are going to add the coefficient since we have the plus sign here. So 7 plus 6 we get 13. We get one of the variables here, which is y. Here the crucial part now when it comes to addition and subtraction where they are negative numbers. But today you are going to understand because I'm going to show you just a simple rule we follow when adding integers with either different signs or same signs. So here you can say the sign here, coefficient here is negative 8, here is negative 2. So when you have the same sign, we say you keep the sign and you add the number. So you're going to have 10 and then you get 1. So have you seen? It was a very long expression and it has been reduced to a very short one. So here, a grade 1 will take maybe 5 or 10 seconds just to explain what is here. But here you can just say 3y minus 10x is done, or she's done. Okay, so we have simplified the complicated expression to the simpler one. Okay, then we come to part C. Part C says negative 3a and then plus 4a power 2 or squared minus 2a and then plus 4a power 3. So here it's tricky because we have the variable a, throughout. So now I say something there. Even if you have the same variables, if the powers are different, please, those terms are regarded to be unlike terms. So here, which terms are like terms here? We are going to check those with the same powers, since we have the same variable. So our main concern now should be those terms with the same powers. Those qualify to be like terms. So here, we can see that we have 3a, which is like to 2a. So these are the like terms. What about here? We don't have anything else. So these we just write them like that. Plus 4a to the power 3. So now, here, you do the same here. So we are going to say 3a minus 2a. You are going to say you keep the sign. Since the signs are the same, so you keep the minus sign. And then you are going to add 3 plus 2, which will give you 5. So since these are like terms, you get 1. And then here, these are unlike terms. Please do not get 8 what? For example, what are you going to get if you say 8? Because here we're saying you will write this and then you pick 1. Now when you write 8, what are you going to pick? Are you going to pick 8 to the power 2 or 8 to the power 3? You see, that makes those terms to be unlike terms. So they remain the way they are. 8 to the power 2 plus 4a to the power 3. This is our final answer. Okay? Then let us look at our part D of the question. Part D of the question. Thank you for the duster. So here we are going to wrap here so that we solve part D of our question. Part D of our question. Of the question. Part D of the question says 4xy minus 3xz plus 4x squared y plus 3xz. Okay, so even if you have three terms, whatever terms you may have, the main constant should be the like and the unlike terms. So those are very, very much important. So let us search which terms have the like terms. So if you look at this, do we have any other term apart from 4xy with the term xy? Here we have x squared y. So this one makes it different from this because of the square here which is there. So this one and this one are not like terms at all. Are not like terms at all. What about this and this? This and these are like terms. So if you want, you can say negative 3x